Hey, Sarah. Having some fun going through the mountains, listening to the sweet sounds of the mountains from my brother.
Sweet sound of West Virginia time.
Getting us all on video.